Hey guys, it's Jasmine, and today, as you can see, I have this stuff in my hand, and it's goo. Mm, it's slimy. Jeez, it's a smile. But it's, this is made out of borax and glue. And it's like, it has that slapping sound when you do this. And it's actually really slimy. It feels really slimy. And look, it's like it goes like in lots of places, and it's really stretchable and stuff. And it's like awesome to play with. It's pretty cool. My sister made this. I don't know how she made it so quickly, but she made it. For some reason, if you stretch it out, it feels like you can feel the small particles, like salt. You know, salt grains, you can feel it, but I don't think it's salt grains. It's like the small little particles, and yeah. And so it's really fun to play with. Sometimes it gets really hard, but I actually loved it. But yeah. And it's like jiggly and stuff, and I'll probably make a video of me making some in a video, hopefully. But if I don't make a video of me making slime with borax and glue, then I'll make sure that I just upload this video so you can be able to see what it looks like. And it's really like stretchy and slimy. And I like it. But sometimes if you play with it too long, like if you squish it and stretch it too long, then it starts to get hard. But as you just roll it back together and you just leave it and just like toss it around, then it starts to get jiggly again. But and it gets moist again. But if you just mess with it, play with it, and stuff like this too long and all this, then it's not as jiggly. And it takes all the moisture out, and then you have to let it settle for like a couple seconds so it can come back to the jiggly. So basically, after you play with it for a long time and it's hard and you can feel the particles, you just leave them in your hand, slap it around or something, and then you can't feel the particles anymore in it, and it's more slimy. As you can see the difference, and it's slimy. It's really slimy. I'm not even doing anything. It's coming by itself. I'm trying to make a perfect little thing with this. It's so sticky. But anyway, we're going to go. And I'm going to upload a video that I already made like a month ago or so, like a year ago. I think like last year or something. Yeah, last summer. When I went to my grandma's house. And I'll post that up probably after I post this one. And so it's very like jiggly. So now we're gonna go downstairs and visit my sister. So let's go. So we're gonna go and visit my sister. And we're gonna see what she's doing. Right now I'm playing with the ooze and stuff. So we're just gonna point it to me. So anyway, my sister, it's like, and so my sister is eating and playing with the thing. She's eating and watching TV. So I'm going to get a little snack after I find the snack. Can't find it. have to find it. I can't find it. Sorry. Can't find it. Where is it? Oh, I can't see it apparently. Because it's like right there. And I couldn't see it. So you probably can't even see me. But I'll step into a little light so you can see me because like I'm in a dark corner. So yeah. Right here. So I'm just getting some food. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds like this. It's just that I have some headphones right now, but it's fine. So anyway, I got my snack and I am in my living room watching TV right now, and so yeah, and I'm just gonna put that right here. And so I'm watching TV right now and eating. Yeah, and I just really wanted to show you guys that stuff. And it's like, but anyway, Car, can I get a piece? Can I get a piece of that? So right now my sister's being stubborn, and she won't let me get a piece of her stuff. Really? Come on. No, I just mixed it. Yeah, that's what I said. So she just said that it's like when it gets hard, you can feel like the borax beads and stuff in it. I did not say that. I said that I put too much in it. Oh, she put too much borax in it, so now you can feel the borax beads. So next time, kids.